Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this video, I'm going to share how to turn off the pop-up blockers on Mac. Let's say suppose you are using the Safari browser. So in order to stop the pop-up blocker or disable the pop-up blocker, what you can do is you can go to the Safari, and within the Safari go to settings, and within the settings you can go to the websites, and within the website if you scroll down you would be able to see this option which says pop-up windows, and here you have the option when visiting other websites you can just go and say allow, and if you have any other website you can just remove. So what it will does it will allow all the websites that you are visiting on the Safari browser to show you the pop-up windows. So this was for the Safari. Now for the Chrome, what you can do is you can just launch the Chrome browser, and within the Chrome browser you can go to the three dot options and go to settings, and within the settings you can go to the privacy and security, and within the privacy and security you can go to site settings. Within the site setting you can scroll to the bottom and you have this pop-ups and redirects. Just select that option, and here select this radio button which says sites can send pop-ups and redirects, and that's it. Chrome browser will be able to send you the pop-ups and redirects. Now if you want to block certain websites, what you can do is you can just add that website URL, say suppose facebook.com, and add, and the facebook.com won't be able to send you any pop-ups and redirects. So this way you can turn off the pop-up blockers on your Mac for both the Safari and Chrome browser. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.